Today, we're discussing CNC Stock, which is Centene Corporation, a major player in the healthcare insurance sector. The technical outlook for CNC is currently challenging, with most indicators pointing to a downtrend. The stock price is trading below its 20-, 50-, and 200-day simple moving averages, all of which are declining, signaling sustained bearish momentum. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is very low, around 15, indicating the stock is oversold. This could suggest a potential for a short-term bounce, but the overall trend remains negative. Looking at other indicators, the MACD is also negative, reinforcing the bearish sentiment. Short-term trends are neutral, but the long-term trend is clearly down. Volume patterns and momentum oscillators do not yet confirm a strong reversal, so caution is warranted. For trading CNC, a prudent strategy would be to wait for signs of stabilization or a confirmed reversal before entering long positions. Watch for the price to break above short-term moving averages, accompanied by rising volume and improving momentum indicators like RSI moving above 30 or MACD crossing into positive territory. If you prefer short selling or trading on the downside, consider entering positions when the stock rallies toward resistance levels near the declining moving averages and then shows signs of rejection, such as bearish candlestick patterns or weakening volume. Risk management is key here. Use tight stop losses to protect against sudden moves, especially given the stock's current volatility and downward pressure. In summary, CNC is in a bearish phase with oversold conditions that might lead to a short-term bounce. A cautious approach focusing on confirmation signals and disciplined risk control will help navigate this stock. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like and subscribe for more stock insights and trading strategies. See you next time.